Do you know why should you plant trees? When a big tree will give shade, shelter, food to small creatures and animals, those animals' peace and satisfaction will come back to our life in multiplying. As a cool shade of a tree is like air-conditioned room to them, and the sweet fruits would be the five-star category food to them. Very good night. Are you capable to mend one bitter relationship into a humble one? Listen, friend, one sided relationship cannot run in smooth way. So it's better to quit from it immediately and try to make another loving relation to more loving one. What do you think? Your child is deserving comforts and luxuries in life or not? Remember, friend, like your properties and bank balance will be multiplied through the years, similarly, your unconditional and selfless donations and charities will be multiplied and gifted to your child as luxuries and comforts in life. What do you think? Our present education system is really doing good to our children or not? Remember, our education system is only good machine of making money and make students to earn money in future. As there is no place for spirituality and morality, your child is becoming robot without humanity. Do you know how your wish to travel foreign countries or foreign invasion is possible? It is described in Ramayana that Hanuman was the first to cross ocean and entered Sri Lanka, means into another country. So if you wish to do that, worship Bajrangbali as much as possible. Do you know why should we keep good memories with others? Men are mortal. We all have to die once. Then only memories will be there. So try to keep good memories with family members, friends, relatives, neighbors and colleagues. Never show off regarding things, money and prosperity. Remember, your most nearest and dearest one even cannot tolerate your prosperity, name, fame and success from inner side, though he or she is silent towards you. Do you know whom does God love? Remember, friends, God loves that person who is having the habit of gratitude, forgiveness, thankfulness towards others. Should you help others? You must help others. Helping others is the great virtue. But help them only who will not use you or exploit you in return. If one's good prayer and blessing could be responsible for your success, on the other hand, a curse or evil eye could be responsible for your devastation and suffering. So try to stay in blessing of others. Do you wish to have great love in life? Then spread love and compassion among people. You will be loved and compassionate by others also. Should you forgive a criminal? Yes, just forgive even a great criminal. May he had done great evil to you. Actually, it is not mercy to him, but to reduce your inner burning from that poisonous person.